nnrepair.
Before starting the repair, clean the damaged area first with a wet cloth, then with a dry cloth. Since the defect is deep, fill the bottom 0.2 inches with clear material, leave a maximum of 0.1 inch at the top empty, then cure. Apply repair tape around the damaged area to protect the surrounding surface from scratches. Choose the color that best matches the surface from the kit. You may not need to mix colors. Sometimes a single syringe matches perfectly. If needed, you can adjust the color by adding or removing small amounts. Make sure to keep the material clean and avoid dust or dirt by using a clean toothpick or similar tool. After preparing the color, stretch the repair tape gently by hand. If air gaps appear, smooth the material using a wooden stick or your finger. If the light unit blinks, it means the battery needs to be charged. Cure the material with the light unit. After 30 seconds, remove the tape. Depending on the defect size, continue curing if needed. For a defect like this, an additional 60 seconds is sufficient. Once curing is complete, sand the surface gently with 220 grit sandpaper until the surface is level. Do not press too hard and clean the dust during sanding. When the surface is almost level, use wet 2,500 grit sandpaper. Make sure the surface is clean before switching from coarse to fine sanding. Remove the repair tape from the surface. Apply the polisher from the kit. To control the flow, press the syringe tip against the surface while applying. That's it. The repaired area now looks much better.